it's kind of interesting. You're seeing a lot of these conservatives that have realized their irrelevance. And so this is the only area that they can stake out. Yeah. It's like, we were the ones who were entitled to be the conservative leaders. It's the National Review complex. Right. They all think that, like, I want to write 4,000 words on trade, and no one's going to read it because no one cares.
Yeah, it's so funny, and they demand the attention, and it's just great to watch this guy's like, now listen, everybody, I've had enough. We need an uprising. We need a riot. I want people in the streets. And it's like, shut up. You're like screaming in a closet.
Yeah.
And frankly, I'm with Kennedy here. Like, I'm tired of the uprisings. I'm tired of like he's calling for one. They never stop.
Yeah.
Right, exactly. Like, well, here's what I'm ready for. I'm ready for a real one to start. Yeah. Let's get this douche and his buddies against me and my friends down in Tennessee. That'll be a short day. And we'll be done.